So, okay, what if you don't have CPAS? Is catalog sales a good campaign objective for your Shopee store? What about traffic? Okay, that's a very good question, Cecilia. If you don't have CPAS, then you can't use catalog objective because technically you don't have a catalog. You don't have CPAS for your Shopee store, you don't have a catalog. Only CPAS, advertisers with CPAS has a catalog. So yes, you're right. The better option for you is actually traffic. But nonetheless, we have a framework because when you go for traffic, you know the challenge, right? When you go for traffic, if you drive traffic from Facebook ads to your Shopee store, technically you lose them the moment they go over. You don't even know whether they really land on your Shopee store, and you actually lose them. You won't be able to retarget them. You won't be able to do a lot of the number or the validation. So we have a framework for those even without a CPAS access. You can still run meaningful Facebook ads for your Shopee store. So I encourage you to actually check out my Facebook ads for Shopee store. That's a course where I teach you using my two-step funnel framework how to build so-called a campaign that is able to allow you to do retargeting even though you don't have CPAS for your Shopee store. So that's the course that I want you to check out, Cecilia. But yes, you're right, catalog is not for you. Go for traffic objective, but you have to do it in the right way. So check out my course.